Gates open, they're up and racing. Antoine Dugo, Shores alertness at the start and moving up meant to blush. Running by the real Restless Heart, then followed by Gandang Pinay, and Pot Pot's Love is the early thriller. Working towards the last 900. Antoine Dugo in command, followed by Mento Blush, then running in third, Restless Heart, then comes Gandang Pinay, and Pot Pot's Love in that order. Heading towards the final 600, Antoine Dugo this time maintaining a 2 lengths lead over Mento Blush in second. Restless Heart still in third, Gandang Pinay, and fast approaching on the outside is Pot Pot's Love, the coupled runner of Antoine Dugo. Antoine Diogo still leading the field this time by about 4 lengths. Mento Blush remains in second and moving up on the outside is Pot's Love and Restless Heart. There was a spill, there was a spill. Jackie Pat Dilemma left unseated on Mento Blush. With the last 100 meters more to run, it's going to be win number 2 for the Phillies, Antoine Dugo. Then comes Restless Heart, Gandang Pinay, and Pot Pot's Love.